The scenario of Earth stopping highlights several key scientific principles. First is momentum and inertia. If the Earth suddenly stopped rotating, everything on its surface would continue moving eastward at the original rotation speed, up to 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. The Coriolis effect, which influences our weather patterns and ocean currents, would be completely disrupted if Earth stopped rotating. The centrifugal force created by Earth's rotation is responsible for our planet's bulge at the equator. Without this rotation, Earth would tend toward becoming a perfect sphere. Earth's rotation is thought to contribute to the generation of its magnetic field, which shields us from harmful solar radiation. A halt in rotation could lead to a weakening or loss of this protective shield. Without this magnetic field, the planet could become uninhabitable in the long term due to increased exposure to solar radiation. While a complete stop is highly improbable, Earth's rotation is actually changing. It's generally slowing down at a rate of about 1.8 milliseconds per century due to tidal effects from the Moon. Interestingly, recent studies show that Earth has been speeding up, with the shortest 28 days on record, all occurring during 2020. These changes, while minimal, could eventually affect our calendar through changes to leap seconds. Even a gradual change in Earth's rotation would have significant effects on our planet, including longer days and nights and dramatically altered weather patterns.